Welcome to BusyBooks. In this video, we will show you how to manage files. Manage and store all your business-related documents. Files can be easily stored and accessed. How to create a new folder. To begin, head to File Sharing under the File Sharing tab. Now click on New Folder. Enter the folder name. Now to save the folder, click on Create. Your folder is now created. How to upload a file. Now to upload a file, go to File Sharing and choose the folder to which you want to upload the file. Click on Drop Files option. Now, select the file. Click on Open. How to delete a file or folder. Go to File Sharing and choose the folder. Now select the file that you want to delete. Now, click on the Delete icon. And now to delete the folder, click on the Home icon and choose the folder that you want to delete. Click on the Delete icon, and you are done. Thank you for watching.